Everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to try a new style. We are going to try bangs. Okay, so my hair is already washed. I'm going to just oil it, and I'm using um, Hair and Scalp Daily from Motions. I'll do that real quick. Okay, make sure my scalp is all moisturized, and I'll comb through. I'm going to add a little bit of gel to have a slick look. Okay, just comb it real quick with a brush and hold the middle high puff. Okay. I'm going to hold a high middle puff. I'm going to hold the end a little bit more, just so I don't have to use a poly bun. And then I'm going to just add a little bit of got2b gel to hold any flyaway hair. So I'm going to tie my hair for 15 minutes. Okay, so let's check our hair. Okay, so we are going to use Kiman Kalon hair. This is 1B and it's 20 inches. It has about 20 curls in here. So we're going to crochet our bun. Okay, so I don't intend to make a very neat bun, but let's see what we get. Okay, so we'll just do that real quick, and then take it through. I love these curls, they're really well defined, and the 20 inches is actually going to work out well. It's a good length. Okay, so for anyone who is new and you've loved the video so far, please consider subscribing to the channel. For all those who are returning, thank you so much for the support. We do appreciate, and that gives us encouragement to continue doing these videos. And if you haven't yet subscribed, please consider subscribing too, so you can get to know when we upload a new video for each week. Okay, so we do that real quick. I love that. I love how crochet is so easy to do. Okay, so far so good. So it's an easy style and it's not very expensive. So some of the hair I had to split it into half, just to, because it's showing that it was too too thick. I will not go excess. Let's see how this bun looks. Okay, let me just add a little bit more. Let me put this out of the way. Just add a bit more. I really love that. Get it up to a point where it's draining with my natural hair path, like that, and then and turn it around like that. I don't want it to be that neat. It just needs to be a little bit messy. I don't intend it to be that neat. So okay, like that. And then I'm going to just put my bangs at the front. And I'm using the same hair for the bangs too, just so we have a similar color shade. Just do that. The hair that I'm using for the bangs, I have separated it into half. So it's not the full roll like this. I just separated this into half. I have separated it into half to have loose bangs, if you know what I mean, something like that, loose, yeah. So now I have come from this side to this side. I'm just going to make sure I add a little bit more as I come to the front to make it fuller. So I'm just going to do this for the front, and then I'll just cut out a little bit of the hair. Okay. Then just hold. Okay. That will be my front. So this is our style for today. For all those who are new, please consider subscribing to the channel if you love the video. Those who are returning, thank you so much for the support. I hope everyone can try out the style and take those pictures and share with us on Instagram. Please tag us in your photos. We'd love to see how you've come up with the style. And until then, we'll see you in our next video. Cheers.